Kwa mondo wugo ko mondo ndikgi e bochendo makamano. Ali Beach, Ramogi TV, Homa Bay.
Erokamano Ali Beach, kawa wuok e kaonti ma Homa Bay wadhi nyaka e kaonti ma Kisii kama jotich e bad sirkal mar chiwo thieth e chenro mar afya bora kwa wote mabende ong'ere kaka Universal Healthcare e kaonti ma Kisii koro ong'anyo. Jotichgo wacho ni pok ochulgi osara mar dweche 4, gino makoro oseketogi kama rach ka pek mar ngima bende pod ni malo e pacho ka. Jotije mogo madirom 200 koro kwayo gavana ma Kisii Simba Arati mondo ne ni ochulo osara ka gimedo ni thothgi koro dang'ni kata dang'ni mar paro gi midhiero ohewogi.
Since the last lapse of the contract of the first cohort of UHC contractual staff in 18th May 2023, there have been several attempts made following communication on its renewal. Both the national and the county government had an agreement to extend the contract. But for us in Kisii County, we have neither received our contract renewal letters nor an official communication regarding this matter about 4 months now. Despite this challenge, we have not failed to turn up to work and offer our services as required.
The reason why we are here is that, remember, we are human beings, and remember, we are offering services. The most painful thing is that, for instance, you know, if the service, if the payment, if the salaries have not been paid, then it means that even the NHIF will not receive medical services, and therefore we have staffs here whose children, spouses, and even themselves have been sick, and they have been forced to pay expensively from their pocket, which of course they are not earning.
All we are requesting is to be given chance so that we can address the governor, so that we can air our views directly to the governor, because we've tried in all those